Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. In this video, we will learn about common birds and their scientific names. It is not that easy to find all the scientific names, so I have compiled some scientific names for you. Isn't it exciting to know the scientific name of your own pet bird? Come, now let's watch the video. Common birds and scientific names. Hen, Gallus domesticus. Duck, Anas platyrhynchus. House sparrow, Passer domesticus. House crow, Corvus splendens. Parrot, Psittacula crameri. Bulbul, Pycnonotus cafer. Myna, Acridopteris tristis. Pigeon, Columba livia. Woodpecker, Dinopium bengalens. Owl, Bubo bengalensis. Common kingfisher, Alcedo athis. Crow pheasant, Centropus sinensis. Cattle egret, Bubulus ibis. Pond heron, Ardiola grayi. Peacock, Pavo cristatus. Quail, Coturnix. Eagle, Clangor hastata. Asian quail, Eudynamis scolopaceus. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos. I hope this video is helpful for you. Check out my previous video on common animals and their scientific names. Thank you. See you all in the next video.